Right here are some creamy mashed potatoes that I made for my family. To achieve this result, you will first need to peel your potatoes. I am using Yukon Gold potatoes as they give me better results. As you peel your potatoes, make sure that they don't have any black spots because the black spots can really mess up the end results. While your potatoes are soaked in cold water, you will need to cut them into equal parts so they cook evenly and at the same time. Next is to clean the potatoes until the water runs clear. Then transfer them into a cooking pot. Add cold water. You then need to transfer them into the stove. Then turn on the flame into medium heat. And right there, I'm adding in a little salt to taste. I then went ahead and covered the potatoes. And at this point, I'm checking them to see if they are done. And they are not quite done, as you can see. I then went ahead and covered them up, and then I'm going to check them again and see if they are quite done. And as you can see, the fork is going through, and that indicates to us that they're done and they're ready to go. Next, you're going to go ahead and drain them. The next step is to transfer the potatoes into the original pot, making sure that the heat is on low. This is to make sure that the potatoes are all dried up. And then the next step is that we need to start mashing. And you need to mash them until they are very smooth and you have gotten every inch of those potatoes. And with the use of my wooden cooking stick, I went back in again just to make sure that they are all mashed up. On a different cooking pot, you will need to heat up some cream or milk if you wish. Add some butter. The amount will depend on how light you want your mashed potatoes to be. And after the butter has melted up, you can add some garlic powder, and this will take your mashed potatoes to the next level. And finally, you'll need to add your mixture into the mashed potatoes. Then give it a quick mix. And right there we are having some creamy delicious mashed potatoes. I tasted my mashed potatoes and then I realized I needed to add a little bit of salt. And also a little bit of garlic powder. And all this is optional, it all depends on your taste. Finally, you then need to transfer your mashed potatoes into a serving bowl. And then I went ahead and added in a little bit of more butter. And at this point, I want to request you to subscribe to my channel. Hit up the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. And thank you so much for those who have subscribed. I really appreciate your support. And finally, I'm garnishing with some green onions. And there you have it. Our creamy mashed potatoes are looking very delicious. So I hope you have been inspired to go and try this recipe. So until we meet in the next video, may the Lord bless you, may the Lord keep you, may He watch over you, and may He give you peace. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.